Howdy guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I've got an Abus 83AL50. Notice the color. I've never seen this charcoal gray color on an Abus. All the ones I typically see in this design are either brass or stainless steel. It's got the Schleg, which is the 300 Abus core in it. So I just dug these out. I think I got 5 or 6 of these. So let's see if we can get into this today. Try these here, and let's see what we can do with it. I believe it's a 6-pinner. That was a click out of 6. Just fairly light tension right now. Let me see what I feel. Okay. Just trying to get at these pins here. 1, 2, tension still fairly light. I don't know what's inside. That was a click out of 2. Three, 4. Okay, I got binding here in the back. Felt a little something there on pin 2. So let me just, I don't think that pin is set. I'm checking 4. Still binding. 5, click. Little something there out of 2 again. Wonder if I have some serrated pins in here, which is not typical of Abus. Okay, we just went into a false set on pin 3. So let's have a look here. Okay, counter rotation. Okay, that was 4, 5. Let's see what we got. Let's come back up to the front here. We got 1. Counter rotation. And I was able to get it. Okay, well, we definitely got spools in there. So let's have a look and take it apart here for you. And let's see what we got. Gotta have a few spools in there anyway. I don't know if it's stock. It could be stock, which they come with spools. So we have, there's the open. I'm gonna lock that up. Actually, we've got the detent here we gotta worry about. Okay, so just gonna get this C-clip off the back. Okay, there's our C-clip. Now you do have a detent here. If you don't push that detent in, you're not going anywhere. So let's get a shim and get that in there. Huh. I haven't seen that before. Let's see here. Alright, we're gonna see if I can get that shim in there now. It's fairly tight. Okay, so I was able to get that shim in there. That's pretty tight. So we've got the detent there passed. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so we've got a 6-pinner. This is definitely not. This has been worked on. I don't know where I got this. So this is a 6-pinner. Looks like some work has been done to this. Standard in 1. Yeah. I don't like that at all. What they've done, and God, I hate when I see that. What they've done here, like I said, I don't know where I got this. They put the pins in and then just filed everything down. That's just poor workmanship, if you ask me. Yep, 6 pins. And you can see all the, I don't know if you guys can see that. All the pins have been shaved down. So okay, let's see what they put inside this thing. We have serrated in 1 copper spring, spool in 2, cannot get that spring out. Let's come back to it. Spool in 3, spool in 4. Looks like all the springs are the same. Yeah, so I just had something fly out on me. Alright, we've got another spring stuck in here. I don't know if anybody noticed, but I think I just had a spool fly over my left shoulder. I've never had that happen before. So let's see if it takes me too long. Stand by. Yeah, it's right here too. Actually, it was a standard pin. Okay. That thing shot out like a bat out of hell. Okay, guys, that took a little longer than usual. So we've got serrated in 1-4 spools. Standard in position 6. And yeah, I really couldn't say where I got these. They've been around a long time. So I'm going to show you what's inside, guys. Standard in 6, 4 spools. Serrated in position 1. 6 standard key pins. And I'll show you the key. So you can see that there's a 6-pinner, and I guess the low cut 6 cut in position 2 and a 1 cut in position 3. Not a bad key, not the worst one I've seen. So that's it, guys. The Avis 83AL50 for you guys today. SPP'd. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.